that are collectibles.
Oh yeah.
And the people that were waiting for
You look like you have a black eye.
store doors, knocked the
You look
doors
like you have a
and
black
all the
eye.
hinges.
Yeah.
Your sister been writing on you? Yep. Oh yeah, you got green in your hair.
Crazy.
Are you standing up?
That doesn't sound fun.
No.
And I'm not sure actually that they're offering any
Is
in
there
stores.
any?
They're not offering online.
Online.
Are you gonna draw a
In fact, I think
snowman?
they're starting to offer better stuff online.
What you gonna do with the snowman? What did you do?
Ow!
Hey Serenity, what are you doing?
No, man.
No bite snowman.
No.
That's always good advice.
Yeah. Don't eat yellow snow.
Yeah.
Don't fight snowman.
Serenity, be gentle please. Aw, he's trying to hug you, honey. Aw. Honey, you've got to, not with the pen in your hand, okay? Serenity, put the pen down. You're writing all over yourself.
That'd be a nice video to see.
Is what it is.
Those is true.
Especially when she's 18.
Yeah.
Can you draw Mommy a snowman? This is Serenity's art. Oh, look.
I hope your mom didn't go down there.
What you drawing? What are you drawing, Serenity?
Sugars.
Sugars.
What does that do? Whoopsie. What does this do, Scott?
What are you drawing, Serenity?
Hit the blue button. You do some songs.
What you drawing? Serenity, what are you drawing?
Round.
Round and round and round it goes.
Is that new?
Good circles.
Huh?
Don't ask me about it.